Find or read reviews that people are talking about Sauder Cottage Robot Vacuum Side Table. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Combine the Sauder style and reliability you know and trust with the technology of the patent-pending BotStop side table with charging station. This innovative design provides space-saving concepts by stylishly blending hidden space for your robot vacuum with the function of a storage side table. The easy open door of this robot vacuum storage conceals and quiets the operation of self-emptying docking stations. While the open bottom design allows the vacuum disc easy access and compatibility with most disc-style robots and top-loading docking stations. The small top panel in the rear of this side table with door flips up for easy access to the vacuum canister and bag, making cleanup quick, accessible, and easy. A storage drawer features additional space for storing vacuum supplies, with metal runners and safety stops for easy and seamless access. With a soft white finish on all sides for versatile placement anywhere in your home, and a rustic lintel oak accented top. The quaint cottage style of this useful Roomba storage cabinet will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.